Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact. So first of all we have to open the dialer, and in the contacts we have to choose the contact we want to edit. It can be Maya, for example, in my case, and to edit simply click on Edit Contact. And let's tap on this camera image, and now you can choose from how you want to change the photo. You can either take a photo or choose a photo. So let me pick choose photo, and let's choose it from the gallery. Let's click on all and pick the photo you'd like to use. And now here you can adjust the size of the square in which you'll see the photo near the contact. For example, let me pick something like this. Click on Done and click on Save. And as you can see, this is how you add a photo to a contact, which you will see while incoming calls or texting with that person. So that's all. This is how you add a photo to a contact in your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.